Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jesus from Hustling Labs, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create the dark mode feature in your apps. It's actually really easy to do, and it should only take you a few minutes. But basically, I will guide you through two different processes where you can go through and get this done. The very first thing you want to do is you want to go to your database, um, your user data, and you want to make sure that you create a dark mode. It can either be like this, or it can be a yes no statement. We're going to create a yes no statement um, just to guide you through this. So here you got a yes no. The very first thing that I want to do is actually let's go and make this distinction. Yes no. It's a little bit easier now over here. The very first thing that I want to do is I want to go to conditionals, and I want to say when the current user dark mode yes no is yes, then the background color will be 121212. Let's see how it looks like. Yep, exactly what I was expecting. It looks good. So the pattern, the color, the hex code for this is going to be 121212. That's similar to the one that is Facebook and Twitter uses for the background, so that's what we will be using. Next thing I want to do is I want to here drop a group. We're going to make some quick changes here. So it's going to be a column, and it's going to have a padding of 25 all around. I'm sorry, not padding. I'm losing my mind today. It's going to be a margin of 25 all around, and a padding of 10. In reality, this doesn't really matter, but I don't know, just for the sake of it. And again, we're going to say when current user dark mode is yes. Let's see here the background. Actually, we can leave this as none. So now here you want to change the background style. We have flag color when the dark mode is yes, and the background color would be for this one 1E, 1E, 1E. Let's see how it looks like. So here is a shade that is sorry, slightly lighter. So here we're going to do 10. There you go. And now we're going to drop some text inside it. So we're going to change this really quick. Just a matter of now again. The current user dark mode is yes. Font color will be E2, E2, E2. So it's not completely white. It's a little bit below white. So it should make it a nice. I thought I set this to 10, but whatever. A darker shade of white. So we can do the same thing for the icon. Actually, I like using material icons. So here we're going to This is fine. So current user dark mode is yes. The background color will be 2v2v2. So there you have it. We're going to put this in a row. I'm going to make this the first one. And we're going to reduce the size. Does this really matter for this tutorial? Probably not. Just having fun, you know. With that being said, we're going to preview here in a second how this look like. Let me change the data on any current user. So dark mode is going to be yes. And let's preview this. And there you have it. If I go back and change the dark mode to no, went back, I go again, change it to yes, it goes back there. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can do it is in the database. You could do it with an option set. Similar concept, it's just that I use an option set, and you can set up for automatic as well. Basically, that will require much more in-depth tutorial on how to get whether or not the device is on dark mode and go from there. Definitely outside the scope of this tutorial, I will record a different one for that. But that's why you would want to use option set. If it's a simple yes or no, then you can use the yes or no functionality, the Boolean functionality. Another thing that I would like to show you in this tutorial is, let me make sure this, yep, this is a column, is actually how I manage this. So settings group. So basically what I typically do is I go on the setting page and I create the settings for the user to manage it. I will show you here in a few minutes how it looks like on one of the templates that I have published, Societal Labs. But basically what you want to do is, let me make a quick change here. We're going to auto binding, yep. So I go here and I would say on dark mode. So this can be a column, who cares? Another thing that you can do is you can copy conditionals, definitely make it easier. You can also set it up as a style, but it's a little bit more difficult to handle later. So there you have dark mode. I will create another group. This time, this will be a row, a column, a row. Yep, works. And this one will have a test. And I will say yes. And copy the, paste the condition, I should say. And here we're going to add an ion icon here. I'm sorry. This will stand all the way down to the end. And we're going to center this text vertically. Here we're going to make it 25 by 25 and center vertically to place the condition and change the icon color to let's see, what was it? E2, E2, E2. My bad. With that being said, we're going to change it here. And we're going to change this one to no. So basically what's going to happen is that you will want to, oh, I thought I could do, okay. What you want to do is you want to create a workflow that will change the information. So we want to make changes to a thing, the current user, the dark mode just no, and when this one is click, change it to yes, and this one is click, it changes to no. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create another condition when current user dark mode is no. Actually, we have to change this. So the icon here would be empty. So yeah, is this maybe not the best option. I'm pretty sure you can find a better one out there, but so here when current user dark mode is yes, then the icon would be let's delete this condition. So there you have it. So now we go here. As you can tell, the dark mode right now is yes. If I change it to no, it changes back. If I change it to yes, no, yes, no, I cannot make up my mind. But that's how you can create this in the settings page. So here is my latest template. So I go to display accessibility. Yeah, I have to change that. So I change it to no. Changes yes. So that's how I use it in the real world. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Make sure you check out my template, Societal Labs. It's a social media template, so if you're looking for something along the lines of that, there are many features that are built here that could be useful for any project. So even if you think that you could use it in some of these features, feel free to go buy the template, copy those features. It can save you dozens of hours of development. But if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.